Hey, welcome back to Dealership Adventures, and today we have a beautiful Kia Soul. It's a 2013. It's alloy wheels. It's the exclamation mark trim. Why is it here right now? Why is it not parked up front with the other cars? And well, it's disgusting. Do y'all see this? It's one of the most disgusting cars I've ever been in. All around, everywhere, just filth covering it, and no one's gonna buy it like this. I have no detailers coming in anytime soon, so I guess now we begin detailing this. Things first, you see all this, and we're gonna get to that, but like everywhere here, we're gonna just get a complete vacuum in, and then I don't know, I guess we're gonna see if we can clean up these seats. Hopefully. Okay, we're already sweating, but we got the passenger side thing a lot cleaner than what it was. I'm gonna get the drill brush again, agitate that a little bit with some water, see if we can get the rest of that cleared up, and we're gonna vacuum the rest of the car because obviously that's dirty, and then we'll get to these seats. It or love it, this car is coming out a lot better. I mean, y'all see this, y'all remember what it looked like, and now we about to get back on this seat. I had started cleaning up this seat. I mean, yeah, there's a little bit of stuff on it now because I was moving it, but this seat used to look a lot worse than it does now. I'm gonna fix this up, but I'll show you guys how I cleaned this seat up over here. We're gonna see. I can't promise. I have no idea if these stains will come out. I have no idea what the hell that is, but you know, we're gonna be hopeful. We're gonna hope that this car comes out good, and we're gonna try our best. On y'all today, so we had taken a 2-day break in cleaning the Kia Soul, but now we're back and we got a new toy. We got a shop vac, and because of this, right, I had just started working on these seats, and these still had stains after me washing them. And I know y'all can't see it before and after, but look at these seats now. They're practically perfect. Yeah, there's a fly on it, but ignore that. That's because the doors are open and it's hot outside. But then we're gonna get these seats all cleaned up, and then we actually have a whole nother Kia Soul that we gotta clean. But y'all can see this uneven discoloration and all the stains on it. Look at that. These are very nasty seats, but we gotta get them clean and get this car ready for sale. So let's get moving. Now, finally, after the whole interior is cleaned, we gotta clean the exterior. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of washed it a little bit. There was bird poop and everything. We got rid of that. We gotta do one final wash, and then this car is gonna be ready. Hey, I might look a little scruffy, but you know what doesn't? This car. Look at this, y'all. Freaking flawless center console. Look at this. The seats are washed, cleaned, and this car looks brand spanking new. Look at these door panels. These door cards look so nice. Look at how well. Look at the carpet, clean, car, clean, and outside. Look at that shine. Look at this. These wheels. Oh, yeah. This is what a car is supposed to look like. Oh yeah. And that's how we clean one of the dirtiest cars ever. And now genuinely, with a detail like this car is genuinely increased in value by like $500. Any person that would have seen the car like that wouldn't have bought it. And even if they did, they would have asked for a steep discount, this and that. But now, they can't really complain. So that's how you increase the value of a car by $500. You see, this car went from being the dirtiest thing ever. It's still drying, that's why the doors are open. But now, it's genuinely a car ready for someone to get in and drive away, problem-free. And it's clean now, it smells good, it does everything. So if y'all enjoyed this content, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing for more future videos about my dealership and just how we sell cars around here. So stay tuned. Thank you.